On July 20, 1969, humanity achieved a monumental milestone as NASA's Apollo 11 mission successfully landed the first humans on the moon. This historic event marked the culmination of a decade-long effort driven by the space race between the United States and the Soviet Union, symbolizing the boundless potential of human ingenuity and exploration. The story of Apollo 11 began in 1961, when President John F. Kennedy boldly declared that the United States would land a man on the moon and return him safely to Earth before the end of the decade. This ambitious goal was driven by the Cold War rivalry and the desire to demonstrate technological and ideological superiority over the Soviet Union, which had already achieved several firsts in space exploration. NASA responded to Kennedy's challenge with the Apollo program, which saw numerous unmanned missions and manned flights leading up to the historic Apollo 11 mission. The Apollo 11 crew consisted of 3 astronauts: Commander Neil Armstrong, Command Module Pilot Michael Collins, and Lunar Module Pilot Edwin "Buzz" Aldrin. On July 16, 1969, the Saturn V rocket carrying Apollo 11 launched from Kennedy Space Center in Florida. After a 3-day journey, the spacecraft entered lunar orbit. On July 20th, the lunar module, named Eagle, separated from the command module and began its descent to the moon's surface. Armstrong and Aldrin carefully navigated the module to a safe landing in the Sea of Tranquility, a flat lunar basin. As the world watched in awe, Neil Armstrong descended the ladder and set foot on the moon, uttering the famous words, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind." Buzz Aldrin soon followed, and the 2 astronauts spent about 2.5 hours exploring the lunar surface, collecting rock samples and conducting scientific experiments. They planted the American flag and left behind a plaque inscribed with the message, "Here men from the planet Earth first set foot upon the moon, July 1969 AD, we came in peace for all mankind." Meanwhile, Michael Collins orbited the moon in the command module, ensuring a safe return for his fellow astronauts. After 21 hours on the lunar surface, Armstrong and Aldrin rejoined Collins, and the trio began their journey back to Earth. On July 24th, Apollo 11 safely splashed down in the Pacific Ocean, marking the successful completion of their mission. The Apollo 11 mission had a profound impact on the world, demonstrating the incredible achievements possible through human collaboration, determination, and innovation. It not only fulfilled Kennedy's vision, but also inspired generations of scientists, engineers, and explorers to reach for the stars. The legacy of Apollo 11 continues to resonate, reminding us of the boundless potential of human curiosity and the enduring spirit of exploration.